Today's the day. We're headed to New York Fashion Week with Maybelline. Oh, I better get up, finish packing.
In here. It's a total temptation bouquet.
Can we totally turn the lights on?
Totally, John!
Desi and Katy, we are so excited to have you here in NYC for Fashion Week. Get masterclass ready with some of our newest products. XO, your Maybelline fan.
Oh.
Gangs all here in New York. Gangs of New York, huh?
Squad up.
Are you trying to affiliate us right now?
I am. Can I be affiliated with the squad?
Perhaps.
What's the buy-in?
It's not, you can't buy into
You can't buy this,
squad.
dog. It's either you're born with it or you're not.
Yeah.
Clearly, you've already failed.
Yeah, by even asking to buy.
It's like Fight Club.
It's because you don't wear moisturizer.
You can't buy yourself into Fight Club.
Can't. You gotta fight yourself into Fight Club. So, why are you shaking so hard, Steve?
Are you gonna...
So we're trying this new thing where we're gonna say we're Yelpers at every restaurant we go to see what we can get.
Are we?
And right now we're gonna go into some of John's old Yelp reviews. But what if they're bad?
I'm sure they are bad, John. I can't imagine you saying, oh gee golly, we just had the greatest time here. It was incredible. I think you're a bad Yelper. You only Yelp when it's bad, huh?
You think I'm one of those frauds?
I think you are a fraud.
John, you said this!
What?
If you're into paying too much for sushi and 27 to 35-year-old single women, this is the place for you. For a deli, he said, come 35 minutes before you're hungry. It's gonna take a while.
I've always been shady, though. That's probably like years ago.
Tell them you have twice as many people in your party to get extra cookies.
John, we need to use that one tonight. Yeah, buddy.
I know how long it takes you
different John.
But I know how long it takes you to come up with an Instagram caption. I'm just wondering
how long
it takes you for those witty.
I mean, why do you think I gave it up? It was so much work.
Oh, stressed you out, huh?
Jeez, it's a full-time gig. Desi, you're over here living your best life
I
right
am,
now.
because I deserve to be happy. Okay. John, your iced coffee, how is it?
Le Titty.
Le Titty, are you going to do a Yelp review about it, or?
Maybe I will. Wow. Maybe I'll come back to Yelp.
Yeah?
Today, guys.
Okay.
If you had to leave a Yelp review.
Oh, 5 stars. 5 stars. Get the iced coffee. Don't play yourself, you idiot.
Snowing!
Desi, you have to get up.
No, I can't.
Cappuccino run for the girls. This is my first time in New York snow. How about you, John?
I'm very chilly, I'll tell you that. Is corduroy good snow material? I'm thinking no. Leave a comment below, guys. Let me know. I mean, I feel like I look good, but I might not be dry, so it's not as cool as it sounds.
No. So we went from snow to rain. And right now we're heading into the Estee Lauder offices so Desi can do an interview with CBS.
CBS!
Hey!
All right, going in. Kind of nervous because I don't know what they're gonna ask me. It's like you just have to be quick on your feet.
Yeah, but you are quick on your feet, so.
Yeah, but sometimes I say inappropriate things.
That's true. At least it's
And
not
it's like-
live to you.
and
This
it's like,
isn't a Kevin
okay.
Hart moment.
Hi guys!
It's a little bit.
Oh, I understand.
Look at this. Check it out.
That's like what my little filming setup. It's like you just have to make your way around.
Yes.
Lee's going to have a conversation. We have seen so many of your tapes. We know you can do this. There are no surprises. You have
Okay.
discussed all of this. So it really is how you became an influencer and what influencers mean today. That's really the whole piece.
Okay.
So nice to meet you, John. This is Desi, John.
Okay, Desi, I'm going to start with you. First of all, your rise to fame has been pretty swift.
Thank
You
you.
posted your first video in August of
Yes.
2013.
Oh yes.
So proud of you.
Thank you. It was good. That was awesome. One of the exciting things in my life that I keep up there on the list. Good morning. Say good morning, Katy.
Monos.
Monos. So today
We're going to the Jeremy Scott show, and
We're
then
going
Mac is doing a collaboration with Jeremy Scott.
Yes.
Party tonight.
Party. Glenn Coco's here doing my hair tonight.
Okay.
Oh my god, I need that.
Oh,
My skin looks
wow.
so good.
What highlight are you wearing, Glenn?
I'm not wearing any makeup. Thank you very much. Less sweat.
It's called sweat.
Heading to Jeremy Scott.
I am so Cruella de Vil right now.
Snatched in your black and white.
Yes, freezing. Steven got my papers.
Forget to vlog, kids.
On the run, kid.
John, you ready to do this?
Let's go party.
All right. Girls are at the show, boys are going to the club.
Oh yeah, we're about to turn up in this motherfucker. Starbucks? Oh yeah, we're gonna read a novel.
Saw Cardi B. She was standing right in front of Katy, and honestly, like Katy was like, I can't even talk about it. Right she can't even talk about it. So Cardi B was literally inside of Katy, and she didn't even notice. She was like right here, and she was so close to us that I couldn't even be like. This is what happens when Glenn doesn't come back to take out the ponytail.
Glenn, where are you?
Steven has to figure this out now. John had to figure it out too though, huh? Katy, let's see your hair. Go on.
Wrong.
Go on.
He put oil in my hair. It's not a good look.
You good, John?
I'm good.
This is the bestie bundle. What? So for our master class that Katy and I are doing, this is like our first live demo makeup. And we have our little bestie bundle here that we're using for the master class. Master Chrome Highlight, Molten Gold. And we also have a Maybelline lipstick. This is a nice red tone because I like that bold with the highlighty look. That's kind of what we're going for. And then we have the 24 Karat Nudes palette.
I hear there's stickers in there.
Stickers. Little mascaras, lip gloss, brushes, lips, some stilettos, hot fire. And it comes in this bag, which matches my faux fur today. We're going to the Brock show with Maybelline right now. We're on our way, we're headed out the door.
How do you do this?
Rihanna taught me. Rihanna taught me. She taught me everything I know.
On the cobblestone?
Yes, Rihanna taught me.
Damn.
On these two?
Whew.
Plug it up right
These
here.
are dangerous.
Yep. I could do it.
Here we go, round two.
Round two, next
Yeah,
show.
you're too cool with those glasses.
I'm committed to the glasses.
You are
I don't care if
committed.
it's nighttime.
Whenever I see.
Bye, girls.
They're gonna
Bye.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
That's a wrap on tonight. We got a big day tomorrow.
Big day.
So that's it for today.
Adios.
Good night.
Morning. Here again with Glenn.
They're getting sick of me.
They're not sick of you. I'm not sick of you. We have our masterclass with Maybelline today. It's pretty early right now. I still have to do my makeup. But yeah, we're excited for that and to do our meet and greet and stuff. And it's going to be a fun, long day. I'm so excited. Our first ever masterclass. Never before done. Hi, I'm Desi Perkins.
And I'm Katy. And today we're here for our Maybelline Masterclass.
We're doing this together because we pretty much do everything together. Because everything comes better in two. Hi guys, you're gonna do awesome.
You're gonna do great, sweetie.
Thanks.
You're gonna kill it.
Thanks, honey. Are we going out? That's a wrap. We just finished. Okay, she put her model face on. She was like,
I have so many tendrils.
yes. This was our model today. Look at the glow. We just finished up. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys. I just want to say thanks to my friends for bringing me hot Cheetos.
They came through with the heat.
Saving
Literally.
me. Katy, are you going to make him take this?
He has to.
You have to?
You have to do something for no reason whatsoever on every trip.
You have to do it for Maddie's birthday, actually.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
You have to take it.
You have to take it.
Oh, and if you feel like you need to throw up, make sure you like
Do it outside.
You can chase with a
somewhere
Cheeto.
else.
Okay.
We have Cheetos.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do
This
it.
is like a big shot.
You have to do it.
So cold too.
Come on.
Happy birthday, Maddie.
Oh.
Can I ask a question first?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run out of time.
How's everybody doing?
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, he's
taking
stuck.
Yes, taking shots
There,
and
that's
taking
pretty
shots. Katy, you know you can get him to do anything. You always get him to do something for the vlog. Look at her, she's so mischievous.
You know what I think it is? I think it's because I'm little.
We are backstage at the Philip Klein show.
Please get ready, everybody. Hair, makeup.
So we saw you playing ball. You switched over. Now you're modeling. I mean, I think you're too handsome to play ball. Just saying that.
Let's get it. What you waiting for? Motherfucking drop this.
We're done. That's it for Fashion Week, guys. We're out.
Honey, did you have a good time?
Oh yeah.
Did you have a good time, Katy?
I did.
John? People couldn't even handle your fashion, huh?
Yeah, I'm very forward. I'm very 2K19.
Do next year.
Oh, you're already past all of these seasons.
Just forward thinking. Iconic.
Alright guys. Bye.
I feel a little out of place here. I didn't get the memo.
The memo is this. This is the memo.
Hey, we'll get the next one. Bye. Finally. We're free.
You gotta keep it real.
Yeah.
100.
Gotta stay in tune with who you are. This is who I am.
Your true, authentic
Chocolate
self.
pancakes.
Are they good panties?
They straight up good panties.
You think I'll like them?
I know Desi wants to hit this shit.
I just want to like try it, you know?
Try it, girl. I'll get you a little square.
I'm interested.
Oh my.
Is there an extra fork up in this bitch?
It's no good.
He would get in so much trouble. Who do you think?
The boss. Yeah, the boss. Oh boy.
Anyone's makeup like besides my friends in high school, but I just keep saying yes to. Wait, are you making us get ready now?
Someone has to. You guys are playing yourselves.
Smell like hash browns.
Desi smells like excessive yeast.
Yeah.
John, you take it to the worst extreme, man, every single time.
That joke got old already, John.
No.